In this video, we are going to learn how to enter purchase transactions in a purchase voucher. In a previous video, already we have learned how to create items, categories, go downs, and unit of measures. All these things we have learned in a previous videos. The same company I am using in this video. Now, we will learn how to enter transactions in a purchase voucher. So, if you want to enter any transactions in a purchase voucher, then you need to go to purchase voucher. So, take enter by selecting accounting vouchers here. So, this is the window of purchase voucher. Consider now I am in a payment voucher. So, if you want to open purchase voucher, then press F9 from your keyboard to open purchase voucher. Then this is the window of purchase voucher. You can enter the transactions in a 3 type of modes. Means you can use 3 different type of modes to enter the transactions depending on the specific type of transactions here. If you are purchasing any goods on cash, then that you need to enter in a voucher mode. Means if you are not specifying any specific item name, then that time you need to use voucher mode. Okay. And if you are purchasing some goods by specifying the specific item names, then that transaction you need to enter in a item invoice voucher mode. Okay. Next, third one is a invoice mode that I will explain in a next video by bringing some examples on same voucher mode. Okay. Now we will learn with the first example here. Ram Traders purchased goods worth rupee 15,000 on cash with the invoice number. Okay. Ram Trader is purchasing goods worth 50,000 on cash it is. On cash means goods worth rupee 15,000 on cash means we need to enter it in a voucher mode. So if you want to open voucher mode, then press Ctrl V from your keyboard to open voucher mode. Okay. Now invoice number is what? 1 here. Okay. Now I can't change date here because I am working on educational mode. So I can't change the date here. He is purchasing on cash. So here you need to select the cash. And one more thing you need to remember, you should have cash in your account, then only you can purchase the products. If you don't have cash, that will be displayed in a red color. So here it will show the negative balance. Okay. Now I have current balance is what? 1 lakh rupee. I have amount in a cash. 1,000 of products you are purchasing here. Okay. Here you need to select the purchase ledger. So still I have not created any purchase ledger. So press Alt C from your keyboard to open ledger creation window. So here you need to create purchase ledger. Okay. PUR I will take. Then purchase account you need to select for purchase ledger. Okay. Control A to C. Okay. Now here what it is asking after selecting purchase ledger, it is asking for the name of items. So here I am not declaring any name because I am not purchasing a specific items. So I will take enter and don't select any items there and take enter. Here you can write the narration and accept it. Now this transaction finished. Now this transaction I entered in a voucher mode. Next transaction is Ram Traders purchased 2 type of items. Ram Trader is purchased 5 refrigerator. Ram Trader is purchased worth 15,000 rupee. Means per item is 15,000 rupee. Okay. This I will show how to enter. Okay. Invoice number is what? 2 for this. Okay. So here you need to remember this is item here. He is purchasing particular item here. So I can't enter this in a voucher mode. So I need to use item invoice mode. So for this I need to press Ctrl V. The same key you need to use to open item invoice mode. Okay. Next one. Invoice number I have given here. So here you need to select the cash. Okay. Here you need to select the purchase ledger. How much cash has remained that it is showing here. Okay. Before 1 lakh rupee was there and now 15,000 has remained in my cash account. Now here Item list is showing. Before item list was not showing because that was not item mode. So here you can select a particular item name. He has purchased refrigerator. So one more thing you need to remember. Here you can see whenever I will select, means here whenever that list will be displayed, there at right side how many items are there, that will be displayed. Okay, there is no any items. Now I am purchasing the items. Here you can see ghee, 10 liter ghee is there in our company, means Ram Traders. Now I will select this refrigerator. Okay, first we need to select in which godown you wanted to keep this. Two godowns are there. One is Rajaji godown, next one is Shivaji godown. I will keep in a Shivaji godown, Shivaji Nagar godown. So how many we are purchasing? 5, and then per refrigerator rate is 15,000. Okay, next one, take enter. Okay, take enter here. What I am purchasing next one? He is purchasing 32 GB Samsung mobile. Two mobiles he is purchasing. 32 GB Samsung mobile he is purchasing worth 12,000 rupee. Okay, here 32 GB. Here you can see Samsung mobile, and I will keep this in a Rajaji Nagar. Okay, how many? 2 he is purchasing worth 12,000. Take enter. Okay, here that all amount will be calculated. At the end it will shows by calculating all the item rate, means amount of all the items. Okay, here it will shows the number of items purchased. Take enter. Accept it. Okay. Now if you want to check the balance sheet and stock summary, if you go to stock summary, how many items and rate of particular item will be displayed here.